Of course, I'm aware that there has been, quite a few conferences pop up. All I can say is there's a course for every horse. We have something that the others do not, and that is the sponsorship and engagement and support of the investment community. Again, we are Canada's first Tier 1 mining investment conference, and we will be focused on highlighting Canadian mining. This has been a long time coming. We've spoke about this before. Canada deserves its own Tier 1 investment conference, in line with other conferences such as the Denver Gold and the Precious Metals Summit. So we find it all very exciting, and the response has been great. As far as PDAC moving to June, we view that as a positive. We're already receiving overflow from the venue in terms of companies, keynotes, and some investors as well. So for people traveling to Canada, they can conveniently go from Toronto to Montreal, maybe for the Grand Prix, and then pop over to Quebec City, a couple hours away. Voila.